1, bomb!
Good luck.
So right now it's Sox versus Nathaniel on their song.
Kailangan may warm up pa dyan bago ka mag-ganyan, no?
Well, it depends regarding do sa stamina level mo. But yes, I would have to agree na kailangan mo talaga mag-warm up there. Kasi on my way, sa prime ko kasi before, talaga ako yung nag-warm up. Meron ako tinatawag na phasing ng kanta where I gradually increase in difficulty until such time na makondisyon ko yung katawan ko na makapaglaro ng certain level of difficulty para ma-improve ko rin of course yung stamina ko. Ayan.
So paano ba maging malakas sa pump?
Paano maging malakas sa pump? Kailangan mong maglaro.
Kailangan mo maglaro.
Kailangan mo maglaro.
That's very true.
Kailangan mo maglaro lang.
Practice and practice and practice, guys.
Lahat.
Ayan. Siyempre, proper diet and exercise.
Yes.
Talaga.
And this is it's also a good form of exercise.
Because Pump It Up is exer gaming. Ayan.
This kasi itong game is considered as under ng cardio. Ayan.
So, kailangan mataas ang stamina mo.
Yes. Well, it depends kasi kung paano anong gameplay yung gusto mong gawin. There are songs that hindi naman kailangan na sobrang taas ng stamina like ginagawa ng ating mga players ngayon. There are songs that you just wanna play for fun. Example, we have K-pop songs for everyone. If you're a fan of K-pop, ayan. So, you can play if you just wanted to listen to the songs.